In 1915, a German diplomat took a nap on a train, sparking a series of events that would start the First World War. Heinrich Albert, a diplomat and leader of a secret German spy ring, unintentionally triggered a global catastrophe when he dozed off on a train. Gripped by exhaustion, he left behind his briefcase when he exited the train. That briefcase was discovered by a U.S. Secret Service agent who was surprised to find it full of intricate espionage plans. America decided to leak the plans to the media, and as nations scrambled to assess the breach, misunderstandings escalated, alliances shifted, and things reached a boiling point. The domino effect of Heinrich's unintended nap fueled a rapidly intensifying era of distrust and hostility, which turned the public against Germany. Heinrich's nap on the train would inadvertently lead to the assassination of Archduke Ferdinand, which of course is the ridiculous reason that Americans are taught in school that World War I broke out.